Hello beautiful people! Today I'm going to show you how to use the pH probes. By the end of this video you will learn how to calibrate them, how to take basic measurements of pH and some basic maintenance and care of the probes.
So now I'm going to show you how to calibrate the electrode. To do that you're going to need 3 different solutions at pHs 4, 7 and 10. To start with, you're going to gently remove the cap and rinse the electrode with deionized water. Once you've done that, you can gently dab it with a paper towel and then submerge the electrode into the first solution. Then press Cal. This should now read Cal 1. Once the reading stabilizes, remove the electron from the solution, rinse it again, tap it, and place it into the second solution. Then press Cal. Now it should read Cal 2. Once the reading stabilizes, remove the electrode from the solution, rinse it again, tap it, and put it into the third solution. Press Cal again, and now it should read Cal 3. Once you've got all 3 readings, press End, and then press the same button twice. This is going to give you a calibration curve. If the slope is below 95%, you can still use the electrode, but please do come and tell either Mary or me. If the slope is below 90%, please come and tell Mary or me, and do not use it because the readings will probably be wrong.
Now that we've learned how to calibrate the pH meters, I'm going to teach you how to take a basic measurement. The first thing that we need to do is remove the cap and rinse it with deionized water. Dab the end of the electrode lightly to remove the excess water and place the tip into the solution. To take the measurement, press read. And once the measurement has stabilized, you'll see a line above the A here. Press read again, and that is your pH. Remove the probe from the solution, rinse again with deionized water, dab to remove the excess water, and always remember to replace the cap.
Now I'm going to show you basic maintenance of the electrode probe. Once you finish the reading, you will probably have some water droplets in the electrode. Please make sure that you do not wipe the membrane like that. Simply dabbing it on the end should be sufficient. If you wipe the membrane, you can cause damage which might cause inaccurate readings. Also, always remember to put the cap back on, as this ensures that the membrane stays hydrated and it doesn't dry out. Finally, if you see any air bubbles or crystals in the membranes, please tell Mary or me, as this means that the electrode needs cleaning.
In this video, you've learned how to calibrate the meters, how to use the probes, and some basic maintenance of them. Some general remarks: please always remember to put the cap back on, to tell me or Ina if the slope is below 95%, and please never wipe the probes. If you found this video useful, please click on the like button below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Please work safely!